Hi, I'm Peggy Lee.
My name's Kurt Lee. We live in the beautiful town of Veta, Colorado.
We got married in 2012 in December, and we've been happily married ever since. We purchased this house in town because as we're getting older, we decided we'd like to be in town and not have to worry about a well and a septic and all the things that go with the country living.
Got a picture of my dad. He was a Timberwolf division.
In World War II.
In World War II.
In 2020, Kurt had a growth come on his side of his leg, and we went to the doctor and they sent him to see a cancer surgeon. They removed the growth and it was cancer. And he had cancer immunotherapy, and everything has gone well since then. But as a side effect from the cancer surgery, he has developed lymphedema in his leg.
My knee is blown up, see? It's bigger than my head. And I couldn't get my leg. That's as hard as I could get my leg. I couldn't get in the shower without help from Peggy.
Our house was built in 1980, so definitely the bathroom needed some updates. About a year ago, I started looking. I was trying to find, someone who could do it. And everybody around here, the contractors say, oh, well, we get you on the list. It might be 7 years and that type of thing. So HomePride, they actually got back to me. I said, okay, now's the time to get it done. And so I was very happy that they had contacted me and that they could do the update in the bathroom so quickly.
He always has the best analogy.
We got this guy, and his name was Stacy, and quite the character. He looked at our bathroom and told us what he could do and how soon he could get this done. He was pretty much right on. He brought a crew in here that was very efficient.
The installer's name was Kyle. He's very professional. He did an absolute excellent job.
Everything was done expediently. And within 2 days, we had a shower that was I could get into.
It's just a beautiful shower, and we're so happy.